next one is Supermax. Supermax, how do we going to trade Supermax going forward? Very simple. Okay, based on what we see now, Supermax, based on what we see now, let me get rid of this too. Okay, based on what we see now, we are looking at a pullback in Supermax and it's stabilized. And based on this candle to this candle, you will see that the buyers are back in control. Okay, now you may ask, then why you don't ask us to buy here? It will go up today. I don't know. Okay, it was because of some margin news from I think which bank is it? Is it Maybank Investment Bank? Okay, they adjusted the margin a bit. Then the stock, all the glove stock all went up. Okay, now this is a very clear support line, but I don't like to trade like this. And also, if you see there is a head and shoulder kind of formation, it's a big major reversal pattern. But with this, it should have already invalidated the head and shoulder reversal pattern. More good times ahead for the glove stock. I think all of us have gloves. If you follow closely, which you should have Supermax, you should have Top Glove. Okay, hang on to them until the COVID situation gets better, or there are increased competition in terms of glove prices. Okay, so Supermax, when to buy? Very simple now, because I have seen evidence. Okay, see, it came down with high volume, and yet the stock doesn't go lower, and you see buyer after that small candle body with low volume, buyer come in again. This stock confirmed turn bullish, Supermax. So what we're waiting for is when to buy here. Okay, so what I want to see is another pattern that form like this, pull back with low volume, then we can buy. Okay, so otherwise I don't want to buy on the way up like this. It is very dangerous. Imagine those people who chase here, they are what you call that, their guts already shrunk. Okay, gonna scare by this big decline. Okay, so as of now, I cannot give you a price or a volume trigger as chase tomorrow, because for all we know, it can pull back with a black candle, like this. So the best is we see another decline, low volume, that is another rest by the stock, and that will be the time we buy. Okay, so if everything is okay, tomorrow we expect it to break out of this 778. Maybe we will already be swung into profit by end of tomorrow. Our first position 818. Okay, so Supermax, I will still don't touch yet. You see the weekly chart, Supermax is just day one. Today is Monday. You can see the trading volume on the weekly chart is just normal. Okay, so I cannot say that it will not continue to consolidate, because based on what we see here, unless this week's candle trading volume is very high until here, until this level on a Tuesday. So you got Wednesday and Thursday to pull back low volume, Friday to close as a white candle. So that is what I'm playing for in Supermax. Top Glove, since we have a plan on Supermax, I wonder Top Glove, do we have the same? Top Glove is less obvious. Okay, Top Glove is less obvious, but it is the world leader. Okay, world leader. So if Supermax is not to your appetite, let me get rid of this. If Supermax is not to your appetite, Top Glove is easier to trade. Top Glove is easier and even more obvious than Supermax. See, let me show you. Supermax. Okay, you see this Supermax, this pullback is so deep. And this Top Glove never really pull back deeply, keep surviving above 50 ringgit. So if you still remember, Top Glove's analyst target is 23 ringgit. Credit Suisse, 23 ringgit. Now is selling for 15. And for some of us over here, I think most of the members, because we bought in March, so most of the members. I have never mind. Maybe I show you tomorrow. Okay. This Top Glove, I think most of us has only the free shares running now, right? We already sell half, so whatever inside Top Glove is free money, is profit. Okay, riding and collecting dividend for us. So maybe Top Glove instead of Supermax, I may buy Top Glove tomorrow. Okay, top glove tomorrow. So this is very interesting. But top glove, not worry lah. We are riding profit ma, so we can compound top glove. Okay, compound top glove. Wonderful, wonderful. If you ask me, I think top glove is easier to trade than Supermax. Next one is comfort. Comfort also good. Okay, comfort is also good. You see the FA for comfort. You notice I already stay clear of HLT, the Avanta, the Care Plus and all that. Okay, and now I focus on the gloves. See or not, the earning trend of comfort strong, right? Okay, so this is what we want to focus on. Comfort, where are you? Well, comfort upside is laggy more than comfort upside is more like 35.5%.
We proudly present an exclusive program. 60 days of trading Bursa with ChartNexus. Over 60 days of mentorship, you will be transformed into a competent trader following our trading process. You will receive daily trading plans and learn from the tutorial videos and weekly webinars in our exclusive members page. All traders will be equipped with a mobile app for daily pre-market trading plan broadcast. A members-only page with over 100 plus video tutorials and weekly webinar in our stock screening platform. For traders who are too busy to follow the market movers, we will update you through the halftime report. You will never miss the next buy signal or sell reasons. Together as a community we will track this list of stocks. Receive our pre-market opening bell broadcast where the trading plan is shared and will include the volume trigger value that is necessary before we execute a trade. Gain access to our stocks discussions on follow-ups on the stocks we are tracking where news catalysts are being updated regularly. Let's try SCOMNet. Search for SCOMNet and you can see the trading plan and all the discussions happening under the comment. Learn from the tutorial videos to improve your chart reading and stock picking skills. Pay special attention to Lesson 3 as this is the core principle in our chart reading. Use our stock screener to look for stocks with buyers in control. You will have an arsenal of trading strategies to choose from in multiple stock exchanges for your selection. With our advanced screening technology, your next winner is closer. So give us your next 60 days and let us transform you into a competent trader. Please find the registration link below. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.